What's going on, fam? This is Thanh. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a quick unboxing, installation and review for another product that was sent out to me from CarTrimHome. If you've been following my channel, I previously installed these blue LED doorbell lights where the handles are, and I still have them installed. And I was on the Toyota Nations forum, and one of the members mentioned how they have a 2023 platinum trim Toyota Highlander, and the interior ambient lighting is not blue like on the 2020 through 2022 platinum models. Ours are blue, right? Theirs is white. So if you have a 2023 platinum trim, you'll notice that all of your interior lights are white if you have the platinum trim. So he asked if I could reach out to the folks at CarTrimHome to see if they could create a product that has a white LED light. So reached out, and they were able to send me a product in about a week and a half after some QC testing. It's basically the same as the LED doorbell lights that I previously reviewed. I'll put that link for that product review in the upper right side of the video here for you to take a look at that full review. So this is going to be short. I'm just going to do an unboxing. Here's what you get. You get the 4 doorbells, 2 for the front, 2 for the back, and the wires, the 4 wiring harnesses, piggyback, no splicing, and then you have this little pry tool as well. I'm only going to install 1 door, so that way I don't have to try to do this on the other 3 doors, since I already have the blue LED lights. Just lazy, they don't want to do it. If you want to look at how I installed those, again, go check out my previous video. I'm just going to do just a before and after to show you what these white LED lights look like at nighttime compared to the blue LED lights. So that way, if you do own a 2023 platinum trim Highlander, this would be a product that you can consider. Product link will be in the description. Make sure you use my discount code to receive an additional 7% off. And let's go and install this. So let's use the pry tool, and we'll start first by taking this existing doorbell out, and then we'll take this off, and then we'll go ahead and install the white LED. Took a little elbow grease, but you can see it's held in by 3 pins right here. So I tried to be gentle, but sometimes you gotta add a little bit of force there. All right, let's go and take this bottom piece off here. Just pop right up. And as you can see, this is held in by these 2 red clips right here. Now here's where you see my existing LED doorbell lights, the piggyback wire right here. So what I'll do is uninstall this. So first thing I'll do here is take this off. You know what, now that I think about it, I think I have to take this off. Why? Because it just makes it easier to take the blue LED doorbell light out. Yep. And then now, this is the white LED doorbell. I'll just fish this right through that same hole again, and then feed it down the door. And I should be able to see it. So let me just go ahead and install this in here. It just clips right in. And You know what? Heck it. Plug this in. Turn on the headlights, test it out. There we go. So in the daytime, you can't see it, but the light is on. It looks kind of subtle, but let me go ahead and put everything back in together, and then we're going to fast forward at nighttime. 3, 2, 1. All right. So this is what it looks like at night. Right here, it's kind of dark, but here you can see my finger. This is the doorbell emitting the white LED light, and right down here, that's the blue OEM platinum trim ambient lighting right there. There's a better close-up. Now on camera, it looks brighter than it really does in real life. And when I pan out here, this also looks a lot more bluer than in real life. So just to show you the difference between what you'll see from a platinum trim 2020 to 2022, and this right here is going to be white. This area right here will also be white as well. And over at the driver's side door, that's where I have the blue LED lights that matches the OEM platinum trim blue lights right. I'll put the CarTrimHome product link in the video description, and when you click on the drop down menu, go ahead and select the 2023-2024 link, and that'll get you the white color. Like and subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can stay updated when I release the next video. And I appreciate it as always. Take care, everyone. Peace.